The recent sell-off has caused many investors, no doubt, to look for different buying opportunities in this market. Now, one way is by using Magnifi. That is a search engine for investors that groups investments along themes or topics like ESG. Joining us now with a pulse check on the retail investor is Vinay Nair, Tiffin, CEO and owner of Magnifi. Vinay, good to have you back on. You know what people want before maybe they know what they want because you see their search trends. What are you seeing investors looking for now? What are they interested in?
Thank you, Brian. Great to be back here. Well, we do know a lot about what people are looking for. And in times like these, it's fascinating to see what the data says. Well, first, I would say people are looking for more things. They're searching for more investments. We've seen an uptick from both consumers and advisors who are searching and asking more questions. Turns out that relative to what we had seen before, there are three big trends. One is there are more searches, believe it or not, around crypto. So there are more searches around funds that hold Coinbase or funds that are buying more Bitcoin. It appears that there is a bounce back trade question that's happening on the platform, which is fascinating given all the rhetoric around crypto has more to fall. The second trend we see is that exposures around climate change, around carbon transition, ESG continue to hold their share of searches. And lastly, I would say people are more sensitive to returns around active funds, large cap growth funds with high returns, income funds with more returns. The word returns is specifically being asked around many searches.
Do you have an indication based on the volume of searches, not just what they're looking for, Vinay, but how much general interest there may be in markets? Because we know a lot of people may have gotten blown out. You wonder if some new investors who got blown out are now just kind of going away. Do you have a sense of the macro interest in the markets?
Yes. You know, what's interesting, Brian, is that when a year ago, Magnifi had just reached about 1 million search results displayed. We are crossing 100 million search results displayed today. So not just in the past 4 weeks, but overall, there has been more interest on searches and questions being asked. Now, with respect to financial advisors, we are seeing a 50% uptick in questions that people are asking Magnifi. That's not translating into as much action as it did during, let's say, bull markets. But currently, there are definitely more questions being asked. And the uptick in both searches, questions, and just discovery has gone up.
What about crypto? What are they searching in terms of crypto? How interested are they? Or did that plummet when crypto prices plummeted?
It appears that from the searches, there is interest in identifying funds and fund managers that hold significant crypto-related holdings, Coinbase being an example. And in particular, there are searches which are asking, are fund managers increasing the holding of Coinbase or increasing the holding of crypto? In some ways, it looks like the average investor is trying to identify whether Cathie Wood or some other fund manager that has been pretty vocal about innovation is increasing their positions.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.